Namaste. Today we will do remaining questions from exercise 6.5. 14th question. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at D such that DB equal to 3CD. That is, this length is 3CD. We have three parts here and each part is equal to CD. So, DB equal to 3CD. Prove that 2AB square equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So, here given DB equal to 3CD and in triangle ABC, this bigger triangle, we have AD is perpendicular to BC. So here we have two right triangles. First triangle is triangle ADB. Let us consider this one. In that, this will be the hypotenuse because here it is the right angle. So in this triangle, this is the hypotenuse. We can apply Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square, hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus basis BD square. Now the other triangle, right triangle is triangle ADC. In that, here we have the right angle, so this will be the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to, again AD square is the altitude plus DC square. Now we are going to subtract this. 1 minus 2, we have AB square minus AC square on LHS part. AB square minus AC square on LHS part. And here AD square minus AD square, it will get cancelled. Balance will be BD square minus DC square. We are subtracting second equation from first equation. Here BD, I am going to write it as DB. BD and DB are both same. So here we have DB equal to 3CD. So instead of DB, I am going to write 3CD. So this becomes 3CD whole square. One square is there, so it becomes whole square minus CD square. Now this is 9CD square minus CD square. CD simply means 1 CD. So 9CD square minus 1 CD square, result is 8 CD square. We got AB square minus AC square is 8 CD square. And we have CD. You can see here one CD, here one CD, here one CD length, here one CD length. 4 CDs are here in total in BC. Total length is BC and we have 4 CD length in that. That means instead of CD, we can write here 1 by 4th of BC because it is equally divided into 4 parts. So instead of CD, we can write this is out of 4 part, this is the 1 part. So instead of CD, we will write 1 by 4 BC. So which is equal to 8 into, instead of CD, I am going to write 1 by 4 BC. So CD becomes 1 by 4 BC and we have CD square. Here CD is 1 by 4 BC. CD square means whole square. So this becomes 8 is the 8 into 1 by 4 square is 1 by 16. BC square is BC square. Now 8 and 16 after cancelling we will get 1 by 2 BC square. So we will write here on LHS part we have AB square minus AC square, keep it there. On RHS part 1 by 2 BC square. LHS we have AB square minus AC square. Now we can take this 2 to the side. It becomes 2 into AB square minus AC square is equal to BC square. Now open this with 2. It is 2AB square minus 2AC square is equal to BC square. Now check it with the question. We have 2AC on RHS part. So we will take this minus 2AC to RHS. Then we will get the result. On LHS part we have 2AB square, 2AC square, while taking to RHS it becomes positive 2AC square. This negative get cancelled, it becomes positive. Here we have already BC square. This is what we have to prove. Next question. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on BC such that BD equal to 1 by 3 BC. Here BD length is 1 by 3 BC. We have 3 BD length on BC. Out of 3, this is one part. Prove that we have to prove 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Now, this is an equilateral triangle, so let the sides be A. Total length be A. So, BE equal to, that is this BE length will be A by 2. Also, it is equal to EC. Here, this is the altitude, and in an equilateral triangle, altitude divides the third side into two equal parts. That is why the third side is A. So, two equal parts means A by 2. BE is A by 2, EC is A by 2. And AE length. AE is the altitude in equilateral triangle, and we have an equation for that to find the altitude length. That is root 3 by 2 into side. Side is here A. So root 3 by 2 A is the altitude length here, because this is an equilateral triangle. In the question it is given BD equal to, that is this length is equal to 1 by 3 BC. BC length we know A. 1 by 3 A. Now in triangle ADE, that is smaller triangle, because we need AD in that is why we are considering the smaller triangle. Here, this is 90 degree because it is the altitude. In that triangle, triangle ADE, it's a right triangle, so we will apply Pythagoras theorem. AD will be the hypotenuse. In this smaller triangle, AD is the hypotenuse. Here we have 90 degree. So, hypotenuse square is equal to AE square plus DE square. So to substitute the values here, first we have to find DE, this length. We know BE and BD length. So it is easy for us to find DE. That is DE is equal to BE is, this is DE, this is BE. BE minus this BD, we will get this DE. So BE we know A by 2. Minus BD we know A by 3. So DE is, here we will cross multiply 3 into A, 3A, minus 2 into A, 2A, by product of denominator 6. 3A minus 2A is 1A by 6. So the length of DE, that is this length is A by 6. So we have AD square is equal to AE is root 3 by 2 A whole square, that is AE square. Here we have AE plus DE is A by 6. DE square becomes A by 6 whole square. Now we have to find the value. AD square is equal to root 3 square, root get cancelled. A square is there. 2 square is 4 plus here A square by 6 square is 36. Now we have 4 and 36. We will find the LCM. LCM will be 36. So to make this 36 into 1, here to make 36, 9 4s are 36. So here also into 9, here into 1. You know how to find LCMs. So I am not explaining it here. This becomes 27A square plus A square on numerator, and denominator we have common LCM, that is 36. 27A square plus A square is 28A square by 36. Now in 28 and 36, 2 is a factor. 14 2s are 28, here 18 2s are 16. Again 2 is a factor. 7 2s are 14, here 9 2s are 18. So last we got, on LHS part, we have AD square. And RHS part we have, here we have AD square, RHS we have 7A square by 9. Now we will take this 9 to the side, and it becomes 9AD square is equal to 7A square. And A, here in the question we need AB. AB length is A. So instead of A we can say it is AB. So we got the proof. 9AD square on LHS part, and on RHS part we have 7 a square and we know this a is ab. So we will write here ab square. This is what we have to prove.